Iconik includes an advanced face recognition feature for videos and images, designed to automatically identify individuals who appear in your content. It can detect people whether they're clearly visible in the foreground or only subtly present in the background. By putting this technology to work, you can quickly build a living library of the people most relevant to your content. This transforms what used to be hours of manual scrubbing into a simple, searchable workflow. Let's see it in action. If you have face recognition enabled and the right permissions, you'll be able to initiate face recognition on your Iconik assets. We could run face recognition on a single asset. But for this example, let's run a bulk face recognition job on everything in a collection. Whenever we launch a face recognition run, we'll be asked if we want to force rerun face recognition on assets that have already been analysed. Since this is the first time we're running this job, we don't need to worry about that. If you want to check the progress of your face recognition analysis, you can do so in Iconik's Jobs interface. Because the system scales automatically, you can run recognition across anything from a single clip to large archives without slowing down your workflows. Okay, the face recognition run is complete. In the top right corner of each asset, you can see an icon indicating that face recognition has been completed. If we look in List View, we can see the same icon in the Media Type column. If the icon is orange, it means new people have been detected, but not yet confirmed. Let's walk through the confirmation process. Since Iconik hasn't seen these faces before, we need to confirm them so Iconik can recognize them going forward. We can also confirm matches if Iconik has detected two faces and isn't sure they're the same person. We can add people via the file itself, or we can use the face recognition panel on the right. Now that we've told Iconik who these people are, the AI will automatically identify them in every other image and video in which they appear. Here you can see that after adding Zion once, Iconik has automatically found him across the collection. However, Iconik sets a high confidence threshold. Only very clear matches are auto-confirmed. If a face is blurry, tilted or partially covered, or if Iconik is less certain, it will flag the asset as unconfirmed so the user can review it. This prevents false matches while keeping you in control. This is Zion, so let's confirm the match. Here's a video asset that has also been tagged with faces at the points where they are recognised. Iconik isn't sure about this, so let's tell the system that it is Noah. Iconik will merge the faces under the same person. Now, let's take a look at how we can manage faces. If we click the three-dot icon, we can view the person, change the person to someone else in our library if they've been incorrectly identified, or remove the person from the asset. Let's head into this person's face recognition profile. From each person profile, we can see every asset they've appeared in across the Iconik domain. We can also access further administration options like naming the person, confirming matches, or choosing the main display image. We can also jump straight into any asset that contains this person. If we want to remove or show the boxes around the individual's faces that have been identified, we can use this toggle. A green frame means the person has been confirmed. Now, let's take a look at face recognition from the admin level. Here, we can see every face that's been identified across this domain's library. We can use the filter option to focus on new, confirmed, or unconfirmed faces. A person remains new until they are tagged, named, and saved. Once the person has been saved, they become user confirmed. Whenever that same confirmed person is found in another asset during recognition runs, that newly found instance will be system confirmed. If you see unconfirmed faces, you can go into that person's profile to confirm them. If we want to find specific assets in Iconik featuring people, we can use the Persons drop-down in the Filters panel. We can add multiple people to this filter to bring up combined results. Access to face recognition in Iconik is tightly controlled by user roles, so only the right people can trigger, view, or manage the feature. This gives teams confidence that data stays secure and permissions remain in their hands. All face data is encrypted, kept within your domain, and never mixed or shared with anyone else. With Iconik's face recognition, your media library becomes instantly more intelligent. Instead of wasting hours searching or scrubbing through footage, you can pull up every appearance of a person in seconds. That means teams collaborate faster, archives become more valuable, and you stay in control of every decision, unlocking the full potential of your content every single day.